This is TourBox, an ultimate console meticulously designed for the needs of digital creators. It's incredibly powerful, versatile, and user-friendly, perfectly aligned with a wide range of professional creative software, uniquely designed for one-hand operation, and seamless eye-free control experience allow you to navigate without taking your eyes off the screen. This is TourBox's latest generation operating system, TourBox Console 5. It's the ultimate fusion of WonderFlow, a brand new feature system designed to enhance your content creation. It will elevate your efficiency to an unprecedented level, and once again, revolutionize your workflow. With a simple touch, it instantly activates the parameter panel. Scroll to select and rotate to adjust parameters directly on the panel with ease. Feel the instant and evident transformation unfold before you. Content creators can swiftly, intuitively control any parameter. And we incorporated into TourBox a comprehensive and robust color module, empowering you to personalize parameter panels as you desire, taking full command of any workflow. Navigating sliders is now effortless and seamless. Handpick and prioritize your frequently used functions. Trim or deprioritize the less used ones. Simplify complexity to suit your style and accelerate creative output. Drive your creativity based on your habits. Break free from traditional panel limitations. Here's the novel, revolutionary screen interaction method. The precise, eye-free control lets you sense every pixel change in real time. Craft the visuals you envision. Effortlessly adjust sliders on the fly based on your very own style. We've integrated the built-in functions for software like Capture One, Lightroom Classic, Photoshop, etc. With the power of Tour Menu, you can nurture an exceptional photo editing workflow that caters to your needs like never before. Seamlessly streamline every photo post-processing step, from image browsing and culling to star rating, color grading, and exporting. Immerse yourself in photo editing. TourBox makes every step smooth and seamless. Moreover, you can apply the same personalized parameter solutions to video editing software like Premiere Pro. Empower yourself to meticulously perceive even the slightest nuances, allowing you to keep your actions in perfect synchrony with your intuitive instincts. Beyond color grading, TourBox covers almost every function and operation in creative workflow, including the most complex shortcuts that used to have you fumbled awkwardly with the keyboard. We've skillfully unified all the diverse functions within this impeccably lightweight menu. It's like having a magic drawer, one that ignites a spark of excitement with every interaction. And with the divider support in Tour Menu, you can easily arrange the panels exactly how you like. No need to hassle in search of various functions. Locate the tools you need with a single glance. And yes, retained the traditional operation method you're fond of. You can still access sets of tools through the directional buttons. The intelligent HUD hovers over the screen, serving as a visual guide that spans your entire creative process, seamlessly steering you through real-time function switches. Rest assured, this tool will always anticipate your needs. It dodges the mouse cursor as you want it to, and it would never disrupt your creative process. Whether you scroll, rotate, or click, gestures become the most intuitive communication between you and the creative software. WonderFlow not only introduces groundbreaking modes of interaction, but passionately molds an intuitive, high-efficiency creative workflow. Prepared to revolutionize your creative process? Welcome to WonderFlow.